going to have some bananas Foster because this is so good. Yes. Oh, man. All right. A little banana. You gotta make this at home. So easy to do. Hello, I'm Chef Don McMillan. Welcome to Simple and Delicious Recipes. Hey, talking about delicious, the recipe I got for you today is super delicious. It's called Bananas Foster. What a wonderful recipe. Look, brown sugar, butter, bananas, rum. We're gonna make it happen. So let's get started. All right, I've got about a quarter cup of butter. I'm going to go ahead and start this fire. Melt the butter, and I've got some brown sugar that's going to go in there as soon as that butter is melted. Say, Brennan's Restaurant in New Orleans, or NOLA, sometimes people call it that, 1951 is when they invented it right down there. Sounds like a long time ago, but it was actually, I was born earlier than that. But that doesn't matter because I've been making this dessert, I can't tell you, hundreds of times at least. It is really a winner. And of course, anytime when you're doing a dessert and you're flaming things, people love it, right? All right, I'm letting my butter melt. And then after it melts, I'm gonna add in my brown sugar. It is a simple recipe to do. I've already scooped up my ice cream in a nice bowl. Got to have that ready so when I flame it, I'm not running around scooping ice cream, okay? There's so many wonderful restaurants. Antoine's is down there. You know, it is just so good. I go there, I just want to eat, right? Here we go. Put in the brown sugar. And now we're just going to go ahead and combine the two, almost like making a butterscotch, if you want to call it that. And I'm using light brown sugar. Dark brown sugar works just as well, okay? But brown sugar really is the key. I wouldn't substitute regular sugar for that. Let me turn the heat down a little bit. And I have here some banana liqueur. Let's put that in there. Why not? Make it happy. All right. So, well, let me turn my temp down a little bit. I don't want it to burn. I just want to make a nice syrup. And it's coming up really nice. So to that, we're going to take some bananas and we're going to place our bananas right into the dish. Let's go ahead and put our bananas right there in the pan. We sliced them up. You can dice them if you wish or make them like the slice or the way you do it for your cereal in the morning. But I like this particular way, where they're sliced in half and in half again. Place them in there. Let them coat a little bit, and then we're going to add some rum and the flame. Yes, we're going to do that as well. All right, but first, for the special effects, we have to turn out the lights. All right, we got our flame on low. I'm using rum. It's got to be 80 proof or higher. Sprinkle it on there. All right, hit it with a little flame. Whoa, but there's the coup de grace right here. Look, little cinnamon. Get that flame going. Look, a little bit of fireworks. Yes. Little cinnamon, look at that. All right. And now, let's go ahead and plate our wonderful dessert. Well, you know I'm going to want to try this, but before I do, we want you to subscribe to Patreon. The link is below. And also, subscribe to our channel. Why not? And share it. Click that like button. And if you have any comments, put them below. I respond to all the comments. Love to hear from you. Maybe you've got some other tricks about making bananas Foster or some of the recipes. And if you need some more recipes, you can also just let me know. Let's talk about it. But first, I'm going to have some bananas Foster because this is so good. Yes. Oh, man. All right. A little banana. You gotta make this at home. So easy to do. Just share with your friends. Get the recipe below. You're gonna love it. Remember, all of our recipes are simple and delicious.